I guess you can consider this an Arby's steak bowl review. This steak is so tough. I mean, it's tougher than Lady of Rage's Afro Puff. Okay? This shit going hard. Okay? But it tastes good. Yeah. It like fully tastes good though. This macaroni is bomb. I'm gonna say there's a gas station called QT. It sells real brisket for $5. Both of these are running neck to neck, but this Arby's macaroni is out of this world. Only reason why I'm doing a review is because I had to pay $10 for it. See how they go. Anyways, like, comment, and subscribe.